can see, the sun is shining brightly into my filming area. But this morning I am going to do a video because I've had a lot of subscribers ask me how I do my hair. So I'll do two videos. One, how I do my natural curly hair, and another one I will put up later on how I blow dry my hair. Why is it we always seem to want what we don't have? I used to hate my curly hair. When I was younger, everyone had straight hairs. All the models, everyone you saw in magazine had straight hair. And I wanted straight hair so badly. But now, you know, I'm happy and I like it. Go figure. I dry my hair naturally, so the next step is I take off my snood. I always use a wooden comb. I have several wooden combs to comb my hair because it doesn't damage my hair. I really love wooden combs. Then after I do that, I put on Not Your Mother's Kinky Moves Curling Hair Defining Cream. It has grapeseed and jasmine extracts in it, and I also use just a dabble of curly, sexy hair. I mix those two together, rub it into my hands, and then I bend over and I try to saturate from the ends to the roots the product throughout my hair, and this just keeps it from being frizzy and fly away. And it's great if you want to dry your hair naturally. I've used several products that I've talked about before, and they are all good, but it just so happens these are the two products that I have here today that I really love. So it just takes me a few minutes to try to get it through my hair, and voila, I'm finished. So now the next step is to go downstairs, and I'm going to show you my products here. All right, this is, and there, Kinky Moves and Sexy Hair. I'm going to go downstairs and I'll show you the different processes of drying, the different stages that it goes through drying. And my last one will be I'm out here having my breakfast on the balcony, and that dries my hair very, very quickly. Now I've let my hair air dry. It usually takes maybe about an hour, depending. I went outside and I had my breakfast this morning on one of the balconies, and that's what I did, and it was just enough to completely dry my hair. So I can either leave it this way, but what I prefer to do, and what I do almost every time, is I bend over and I fluff it out, because this is just the way it has dried. So I'm just going to bend over and fluff it up a bit, and then if there's a lot of humidity in the air, I will use a little light hairspray on it. But if not, I will just let it go. So let me bend over and I'll show you how I fluff out my hair like this. I just, try to separate all the hairs so that it's not, so that the curls are distributed evenly like this. And then I might take hairspray. This just happens to be a Peter Cooper argan oil, which I like because it's not damaging to my hair. I'll just bend over a little bit, use some of that, then come back, and voila, here I am with, I just style it a little bit. And it's kind of wild and crazy but that's my hair. That's what happens. I have no foundation on, no makeup. I just have a little oil on my skin. I have a Linda Roden lipstick on, and I'll put the name below in this video, and a little mascara on my lashes. And I am ready to go out and enjoy this beautiful day here in South Beach. So that's the way that I do my curly hair. Simple. It's not complicated. The blow drying is more complicated, but this Really simple and easy, and I think my hair stays in better condition because I don't blow dry. Okay, now I am going to show you this time how I do my curly hair straight. Now this is a lot more difficult than I do my curly hair because I just wash it and fluff it up. But this is how I do my curly hair. All right, I take it and then of course I brush it as straight as possible. Get it all. Let's see how my hair looks kind of long when it's straight. Now the next thing after I comb my hair, I use the Frizz Ease, and I just put one pump into my hand, about this much. And of course I rub it into my hands and then I work it completely through all of my hair and in the ends, because when we're down here in Florida, everything turns my hair into humidity. So I get underneath and on the top. Now I find that the best tool for me is a blow dryer brush, and this is a John Frieda, and I have used these for years, different kinds, but this just happens to be the one that I have right now. It's the John Frieda, and it has settings. You can do low, high, and I start out with high. I bend over and I blow dry my hair. Okay, I don't have any makeup on or anything, so in order to look halfway decent, I will put on some lipstick and a little bit of oil on my skin, or if I go outside, sunscreen. But that's it. And at night, I take all of my hair and pull it up in the center, and then I put a clip on it right up here, and I sleep with it that way. Completely one curl, and I put on my silk cap, my silk cap, and I sleep. And so tomorrow, unless it's really humid today, it will stay at least for one day. Take care. You know, I don't fuss too much with myself, but that's the way I get my curly hair straight. That's it. Thank you so much for coming by today for this easy little video. If you have curly hair, I hope you got something out of this. And if not, at least you could be entertained. So don't forget to be good to yourself today. Do at least one act of kindness, and don't forget to share the love. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you again, and know that I love you bunches. Take care and have a wonderful, wonderful day.